Yeah, I told y'all stay tuned till the next release. Y'all wanna know who I am and what I'm all about? I'm gonna work real hard and throw it all out. A few little hobbies I wanna mention, and all I really want is your utmost attention. Yeah. You might recognize me from Utilize these 3 C's, where I dance on tables and cross the blue seas. My passions all started when I got an iMac. They said once I left Windows, I'd never be back. Watching all the diversity on YouTube prepared me to not be such a noob. Started making videos and songs as a joke, but when I uploaded them, the people spoke. My videos are fun and they tell the deal. Glad you all told me how you really feel. See, life is short and we should all have fun. I love seeing my kids play and run. They dance to my songs and feel my vibes. This is something I cannot describe. Yeah, the world is hard, but don't dismay. Pretend like this is your very first day. Everybody do the happy dance. This is sure to put others in a trance. So use this time to breathe in the fresh air and think next time before casting evil stares. We all share a common goal to keep customers happy. That's right, you know. Making these videos has opened my eyes. I try to stay away from subjects that people despise. I use it as a tool to share my point and make YouTube hits that blow up the joint. I do this to remember all the fun that I had, not just because I want to win an iPad. We all share a bond to laugh and smile. So when you start voting, remember that I went the extra mile.